Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm down here at the hobby farmhouse. Thought we would go inside and take a look at my dad's desk.
Sit high up here.
Oh yeah.
So then here I'm gonna have a door out of walls. First they're gonna go straight, and I thought, nah, as long as I'm going this far.
Right.
The only, and then over here, we'll sit.
Oh yeah,
here.
for a side.
And there's some bottom here will go at an angle. This, but then here there'll be a door.
Oh, I see. Yep.
And because this thing will actually sit.
Oh yeah.
All made, but I thought, well, yeah, I got a notch here, so.
Right, so I can get back far enough.
Yeah, stuff. I don't know what. Everything was good, and I come back the next day. It's settled here.
Can you pour on top of that, and it'll still be just as clear?
I poured some on here and another board, and I'm gonna sand it.
Yep.
And then I can I'm hoping just go over all of it now.
Oh yeah. Yep.
The only thing I don't know about here, if I go over it and just let it run off the edge, or should I put a piece of tape here, it can stick up anything, and then when I throttle this, it'll only be an 1/8 inch.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then after you try, take off the tape and smooth it,
Right. Yeah, because otherwise you'd have to do several thin coats to be able to build it up. Otherwise it'll just run right off.
And this year I gotta get a different thing here.
Oh, a different magnet thing?
Yeah, I don't know why it's. But I can.
Oh yeah.
I can.
It does, huh?
And it's 8 hours until it's dust free.
Wow.
Well, here's where now it's hard. I wasn't sure it would be hard enough for on top of it.
Oh, because yeah, so you didn't want it. Because didn't you do it one time and it was still kind of soft?
That's right.
And then you had to put glass over it?
Glass over it. Then I was just, I'll have a back in here.
Oh yeah, and then if you put a screw into the wall, it can't tip over.
Right, because
so
this here.
So that's going to be a shelf on top, so you can so you can set stuff. That'll be nice. That's a nice looking board too.
Yeah, I hand picked it. This is 2 boards.
Oh, I see. You glued them. Yeah.
I glued them and I clamped them. And then the next day I put this board here. The seam is here. I put a lot of screws at an angle.
Oh, did you? Oh yeah.
And then I put one in here. So.
Oh yeah.
The hinges are here and it goes down. You got one hinge at an angle here and one here. You couldn't open it up, it'd bind.
All right.
So I could put a piano hinge here and then put two doors.
Right, just do 2 doors so it opens, right and left, and then even if you had to put a center stile in it, you could with a log between them. You know, right where the part down there.
I'll just put a log here, and then if there's a log under, I have to leave a space when it opens up, The only thing I gotta do with this one is to take a 1/4 inch out.
Just a little bit more to get it back, right?
Yeah. Because, yeah, maybe an 1/8 inch.
Right.
I could cut here, but here all I got to do is focus on that sander there, everything is, my truck license.
Oh, I drove over there too. There had to have been 15 people outside the door.
See, I went there yesterday. They got in the door at the 9:35.
Wow. Yeah, I just drove there now, and then I just turned
There
around
still
in
is
the
a lot
old.
of people.
Oh yeah, I just turned right around in the old grocery lot, grocery store parking lot there. And
Why don't they put 3 or 4 people in there right now?
right.
Do you think it's always that way?
Every time when I went there last year to do something for the boat, there was literally, like I was against the wall and it went all the way around and
Oh.
in. You used to be able to go in there, but
Yeah,
now there's
yeah.
just so many people that live around here that, yeah, I have to do
Yeah.
my driver's license too. That came up due in July. But I don't know where you get that done. I mean, I suppose you have to go in, but do they make you put your head?
Yeah, they can.
No, that's in the other building, but I don't know if you have to make an appointment or if you just
No,
go in.
Ma and I went in there in that other. That's a new courthouse, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we just went in there. You said that they waited about a half hour.
Did ya?
They called you up there. Is it here or is it?
Okay, everyone. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Short and sweet. You got a little update on what it's looking like, and I'd say another few weeks and that desk is going to be just about done. I will see you guys on the next video.